Hey guys, it's me, Demo700 the Expert, and today we are in UDK, also known as UT3, showing off showing off what I've done for Games, Engines and Physics 2A. Now, as you can see here, I'm currently holding the shock rifle, which has obscene amounts of ammo, and I have two shock rifles with obscene amounts of ammo. However, this one fires a ball of fire, and this one fires a strand of ice. So I'm gonna talk about like what these do and also what went into making them. So let's start off with the fireball. The fireball, as you can see, has its own projectile, its own custom sound effects upon shooting, travelling, and exploding. It also deals splash damage, and the style of a fireball is slightly cartoony for the sake of what I was going for. All the particle systems were made by me. All the sound cues were found in the UDK editor, which I just simply added into the code, and we have successfully implemented a fireball. And as you can see as well, it also leaves craters on the wall as of when it impacts the wall. Nice. So that's the fireball. Now let me show you the ice spike, as I like to call it. It has its own custom sound effects as well. I tried to pick the best sound effects that showed firing ice. It was very hard to find them, but I just put together what I thought were a good combination. So as you can hear, its firing is different. Its impact is different. Its exploding particle is different. Its travelling particle is different. Its travelling sound is different. Everything is different, and everything looks lovely. Nice. So ladies and gentlemen, that is fire and ice for you within UDK. There was another script that I did. However, I'm going to go into this separately, so if you just give me a second, I will see you guys in the editor with hopefully explaining what the hell happened to the other script. Hi guys, so what you're seeing now is you're seeing the code that I put together for the last script that sadly wouldn't compile, sad face. This script was meant to create a splash damage barrel, which basically is a barrel which, when it is shot and destroyed, will blow up and emit damage to anyone or anything nearby that can receive damage. I did the code in such a way so that as well as you would also be able to identify the damage, so when it gets hit, its color will change, and then eventually it would blow up. I did everything correct as far as I remember. I've gone through everything, and it's all there, and it's all fine, and it's all well and good, but for some strange reason it just wouldn't compile. I'm also going to put on the screen for you guys a screenshot as to how it comes up in the UT front end, if you also want to find out what the code is. It says that I'm missing a bracket, like a closing bracket in one of my lines, but I go to that line of code and I'm not missing that bracket. That bracket is there. And so I thought to myself, okay, I'll delete the bracket and put it back in. That should fix the problem. I did that, and I've done that so many times with all my brackets in my code, and it still thinks that that piece of code is missing a bracket. Now, I'm really not sure why that's happening. If you guys want to take a shot at fixing this code, and you're whiz at UDK, by all means, give me a bell. I will send you this code, and you can have a go with it. And if you fix it, send it the fuck back, because I would love to get this working. But I've given it a good shot. I've tried my best with it. I've added everything that I've learned to try to get it working. I'm probably missing out one thing to make it work, and that one thing is just so annoying that I just can't find where I need to put it. As well as also, I apologize if you can't see the code very well. If you do want to see the code in a better way, let me know as well, and I'll be more than happy to send it to you. Keep in mind, I'm sending it to you, keeping in mind that all you're doing is looking at it and maybe modifying it just to give it back. I'm not giving you the code so that you can use it for your own things. If you are going to use it for your own things, at least change the code completely so that it's your own thing. Just putting that out there. So, that's basically what I've done for Games Design 2A. I'm also making this video just in case the work that I give in doesn't work, which I'm praying it does work. But there you go. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope it's been nice for you. More videos coming out soon. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye, Field Strategist. Goodbye, and I'll be seeing you guys on the battlefield.